What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on this crypto called Stratis, also known as STRAX, which has been pumping like crazy over the last 24 hours. Not even in the last 24 hours, I would say over the last 4 or 5 hours it's been pumping up in value so high, 65% up, making it just about 81 cents at the moment. So that's what we're going to be looking into today. Is it a good time to buy? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop back down in value? And looking at its next potential target, is it literally just a pump and dump token? Is it just going to drop back down in value, or is it likely to keep gaining value over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022? How high and how low can this crypto go? And looking at overall, is it a good investment as well? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website. In the last hour itself, we managed to gain just about 3%, but we can see it has gone for a major drop as well, from about 97 cents all the way down to 78 cents. Percentage wise, that is a major drop. Over the last day, 64%, it reached all the way up to 97 cents and then had a little bit of a drop here. But overall, as you can see, it went from 48 to, let's have a look here, 48 all the way to 97. That's just about double its value in the space of a couple of hours. Over the week, 77%, and over the month is an overall 40% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 12,000% in the last 24 hours, making it over $244 million in trading volume, which is a huge percentage increase. Looks like because it's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, is one of the top gainers. More and more people are looking into it. They're looking into investing into the crypto as well. We're seeing a lot of potential investors looking into the project and so on. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide it, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So on the top here, we've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Stratis at 51 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value at 77 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, as usual, we've got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking very steep guys. So according to this graph right now, over the next couple of hours, we should expect the crypto to keep pumping it up in value, keep going for a bull run consistently. However, that is not the case guys. As usual, as I mentioned in most of my videos guys, this crypto has gone for a major increase in the space of 3 hours, and obviously it's not just about 10-20%, it's over 100% increase in the space of 3 hours, which is quite major. And I did expect it to drop down in value, and that is exactly what's taken place. It has dropped down to 78 cents, but that is not the end. It may pump up back up to around the dollar mark, the $5, 10 cents, but very likely is going to drop back down after that as well. So it will be quite volatile. We are going to see it go up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So around the next 12 to 14 hours, we should expect it to drop down below the 70 cents target. These are my predictions. Yes, we are going to see a peak as well. We are going to see a dip, but the overall outcome again seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, again, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction and looking quite steep as well. But again guys, the only reason why we're seeing that is because of these major increases that's taken place over the last 3 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping and so on, but again, as I mentioned previously, that is not the case. It hasn't seen this kind of increase in the last couple of months. As you can see here, it pumps up, but not as much as what's happened here. So the graph is kind of confused, and based on historical data, this never seen something like that before on this specific cryptocurrency. So that is why we're seeing huge green candlesticks and huge steep lines here. But towards the end of next week, and sorry, not end of next week, end of this week, I am expecting it to drop down in value, drop down below the 60 cents target. But that does not mean we're going to be seeing red days every single day for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to see green days, we are going to see red days. It's going to be a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome seems to be, once again, be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're looking a little bit more realistic. We're not looking as steep as we were in both the previous charts. So over the next couple of weeks, I'm talking about mid-August to late August, we should expect an overall increase in value on Stratis. Nothing too crazy. It's not going to be a major increase going all the way to $4, $5, $6 or anything like that. Again, we are still about 6-7 weeks ahead of that time, so anything can happen. So I'll make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can. Obviously, if Bitcoin does go to about 30-35k, then yes, we are going to see most cryptos pumping as well. However, if Bitcoin drops to about 10 to 15k, then we are going to see most cryptos dropping in value as well. As you can see, the last week, shall I say, was quite good for crypto. It was not like it's fully recovered and so on, but they were slowly and steadily gaining value. But right now, it's dropped again. So yeah, if you guys want daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and want to find out what cryptos I'm buying and selling, all you guys need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, because after that it will increase to $29.99, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left for this discount code here. So what does it include? You're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I post daily updates and predictions on cryptos like Bitcoin. Is it moving in a positive or negative direction? What my predictions are for the price target and so on, and also giving us predictions on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If not, the link is again in the description box down below. So back to Stratis. So we are looking at the Fibonacci scale at the moment, and we are in the red zone, and we are in the lower part of the red zone, guys. For us to hit the green zone, which is this one here, we're gonna have to hit at least $2.15. So just about 3 times the current value, so around a good 250 to 300% increase is needed from now on. But I'm expecting it to drop back down in value, so looks like for most of the year we are going to be stuck in the red zone, and potentially mid next year is when we'll be heading into the green zone. But if there are any major updates or major news that come across that can have a potential impact, positive impact on the value of Stratis, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and a special thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.